Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by priming the moment. Pick a low-pressure setting where conversation flows naturally. Explain why this helps. She's more likely to say yes when relaxed. Once done, check her mood and timing. If she's rushed or stressed, wait. Make sure to have a clear plan, a specific activity, date, and time. Say it briefly so it feels casual and confident. This first step gets you from intention to action without overthinking, and it sets the tone for everything that follows. You now ask with confidence and clarity. Explain the how, use direct language. Would you like to grab coffee Saturday? So she knows exactly what you mean. Explain the why. Clear invites reduce ambiguity and respect her time. Once asked, offer 2 options at most to simplify the decision and match your tone to your rapport. Playful if you joke a lot, sincere if you're building connection. Make sure to keep your body language open. That nonverbal ease support. You finish by confirming details so the plan actually happens. Reiterate time, place, and how you'll connect. Explain why this matters. Small logistics prevent no-shows and anxiety. Once confirmed, set a casual reminder and a simple backup plan if weather or schedules change. If she hesitates, give an easy out and suggest a specific alternative. That preserves comfort while showing interest. Make sure to handle a decline with grace. Thank her, and keep the interaction respectful to leave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.